Like I just walked out the gym and the bitches just got it, cause I took a hit. Give him a job and he gave me a ride. So long, so he gave me a minute. I was that I can't describe it.
She going him on my dick.
First, go to YouTube and search Blackpink channel. Find the music videos playlist, then take a long screenshot. Click the MV you want to add to your edits. Remove CC, then set it to highest resolution, then screen record a short part that you want. We need 6 music videos in our edit, so save or screen record the best part of every MV. When it's done, go to VSEO, then make it slow-mo. Click it sign, then add the video we will edit. When it's already imported, click it. Then click this to edit the clip. Click trim to trim unwanted part that we don't need. Move this yellow circle to trim unwanted part. Click check when you're done, then go to speed. Make it 0.1x or 0.2x, then save it. If you don't have VSCO, you can use CapCut, but CapCut is laggy when it comes to speed. Done, then go to CapCut, and let's see how's the results when we edit the speed on CapCut. Trim part you don't want. Click the clip, then click speed, then adjust it to 0.1x. See, it's so laggy. Try 0.4x. It's not laggy, but it's too fast. I recommend to use VSCO. Download Mobsco so you don't allow to pay. Now add new project, then add the long screenshot. Set the format to 16:9. Zoom the clip like this, adjust the duration to 4.2 seconds. Add keyframe at the start like this. Add another keyframe on this part, then scroll clip to the end. Add another keyframe, then scroll up the clip on the MV you want to zoom like this. Add another beside the third keyframe, then add at the end, then zoom. Now add the slow motion clip that we screen record. Adjust its duration to 0.8 seconds. Zoom it, then add keyframe on the start off the clip. Add another far away than the first clip, then scroll to the clip you want to zoom. Add another keyframe besides the second keyframe. Add keyframe at the end, then zoom. Add the short clip from the MV you zoomed. Adjust it to 0.8s. Do the same process in the following MV. Same process on how to do keyframe, just zoom them, view one at the end. Done, then add audio.
Like I just walked out the gym and the bitches just got it cause I created it. Give them like I just walked out the gym and the bitches just got it cause I created it. Give him a job and he gave me a ride. So he gave me a minute. I was that ice cream. I can't describe it.
She going ham on my dick.
For the shaky effect, add animation in swing right 0.2 second. Done, then export it, and here is the results.
Like I just walked out the gym and the bitches just got it cause I created it. Give him a job and he gave me a ride.
Put him on my dick.
Like I just walked out the gym and the bitches just got it, cause I took a hit. Give him a job and he gave me a ride. So he gave me a minute.